Hi guys, let's look at the analysis for trade on Monday. Welcome to Forex Raja, our official channel where we provide USDINR daily analysis on spot, and you can join our Telegram channel also, which is Forex Raja. If you search for Forex Raja, you will see get our Telegram channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel also, so that we can give you updates regularly. Now let's come to the trade. So as you can see here, at 79.41, there has been a rejection. In on Friday we went till there again, but before expiry we cracked down in a very bad way. Now what will happen, or what could possibly happen, is between 79.19 and 79.103, that becomes a no trade zone. That means if the price is between these two lines, then, or let's say if it falls down here, then this is an area you should not assume that, oh, it is going to fall further down and I will do a sell, I'll take sell calls. No, this is a no trade zone, guys. Strictly it's a no trade zone between 17 and 10.3. Now if the price falls below 10.3, you can expect selling to come, and the gap here is bigger. That means from here to here you can expect easily a 20 point kind of a fall if we break 79.103. Remember this number also, and this line represents the correct number. That's why I've given different coloring. If tomorrow from the no trade zone there can be a bounce, if at all that bounce comes above 79.17, you can take a buy call, but till 32. That will be the first target. Now looking at the way it has happened, you can see here up down up down up down up down. I expect the same. It might go down, it might come up, touch 32 and again come down. So that is also a possibility. So you should be clear that close to 32, close to the 32 zone, you have to see. If it goes up tomorrow near 32, you have to see how is it reacting. If it is coming down, that means it is going to fall again. If not, from 32 it can even go and test 41 again. If 41 is broken on the upside, then the max we can look at is 79.54 on the upside. On the downside, as I said, if the Lakshman Rekha of this two red lines is crossed, then we can look at 78.88. That's the number, and that's the ultimate support zone. If that is also broken, then all hell's break loose, guys. We can even go to 78.50 levels also, but we have to see how it behaves during this in this zone. So be clear, understand which is a selling zone, understand what is the ultimate support, and know where you should not trade but wait and watch. So if you know these numbers, you'll be able to take better trade tomorrow and take better decisions. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Happy trading, guys.